So, this morning the topic is all about, good guess, Eric. Earth science, yes. Read the topic, Christian. All about weather. Thank you, sir. Let's go to the objective. Clap for your classmate, Bellevue. I like that. Support each other, right? Today's objective says, Eric, let's go. I can
start what weather is a different type of weather.
Good. So we'll be looking at identifying what weather is and the different types of weather. Lucky for us, right now it is Christian. Look through the window. What it is? Raining. Good. I agree. But it requires a bit more. Weather, by definition, is how it looks and how it feels at the same time. How it looks and how it feels. Thank you. So in your group, I want you to discuss with your partner, well, partners, but yesterday, my English teacher. Discuss what you think a definition of weather is right now. The general definition is weather is how it looks and how it feels. So, Christian and Rayshon, all four of you right here, Isabella, Bella B. Nothing come for me? I'm a bad boy? Oh wow, somebody saved my life. Thank you. Oh, that hurts. So yeah, with your partner, discuss in your group actually what you think. How would you describe the weather right now? In your definition and your answer, I want to hear how you would describe the weather, how it looks and how it feels. Over here, you understand? You're going to ask your group members together. Ask him. You ask him. You understand? You understand? Got me? Follow? You good over here? Yes or no? Thumbs up?
Okay, so we're going to discuss weather.
If you're not sure, ask, I'll explain it again. Over here, let's go. Group discussion. Ask each other. Talk to Rayshon. Talk to Isabella. Ask her. So, what do you think today's weather is? How do we discuss today's weather? I'm going to give you approximately, let's say, 2 minutes on the timer. Put a timer on real quick. Where's my timer? I have a timer on somewhere. This is my timer. Yeah, you want to put the timer right now. Approximately, matter of fact, what do you need all that time? Approximately 60 seconds. Good. I want to hear how it looks. And don't forget, there is no wrong answer in science class. How it looks and how it feels. I'm hearing some good responses. Talk to your group member.
How does it look outside?
Okay.
Raining.
We got like 28 seconds remaining.
Is it sunny or is it cloudy? Cloudy. It's cloudy.
How it looks and how it feels outside. Because once you guys can give me a definition of what the weather is right now, then we have it. We have achieved the objective, learning what weather is. 5, 4, 3, 2. Can I do a dance? You know, I can't dance. Come on, you guys know I can't dance? I can dance? Yo, thanks for the vote of confidence, Kristen. I love it. Appreciate you, son. Right back your way, sir. So we can stop right there. So, which group goes first? Hands raised. Who goes first? Which group? Josiah group?
Yes.
No volunteers?
Oh, no, you.
Kristen's group? That group? You volunteered them. Okay. Is that okay back there? That group go first?
Is it okay?
Okay, who's going to speak first? Eric? So Eric, how would you define or state today's weather?
Like raining.
That's how it looks. It's raining. How's it feel?
Like wet.
Wet. You agree back there? Do you agree, Josiah?
Yes.
This is a good discussion, you know, right? So good.
Do you agree?
So you say raining and wet. Over here, who's going to speak? For the group, you? Go ahead, Kristen.
It's cloudy and rainy.
Cloudy and rainy. Oh, good. Clap it up for yourself, guys. Yes. How it looks and how it feels. I would probably say, matter of fact, let me ask Miss Parada. Just came in the room. Miss Parada, how would you describe today's weather before I give the response? How it looks and how it feels, yes.
It looks, yeah, it looks cloudy,
Mhm.
rainy.
How's it feeling? What do you think?
It might feel a little bit chilly.
Oh, thank you, Miss Parada. You just nailed it. And I'm sorry for doing it. Not like that, forgive me. So yes, it is rainy and it is cold. So how it looks and how it feels. That is the main things needed, the main ingredients in defining weather. By the time you guys are finished, we'll be some weather people. We'll be some on TV, some of the weather or whatnot. So yes, think about it. Does it always look and feel the same outside?
Does it always look and feel the same outside?
No.
No, exactly. Some days it's hot, some days it's
Cold.
some days it's clear, some days it's cloudy, right? So the weather can change at any given period of time. Weather is how it looks and how it feels in one particular moment, which can change like a heartbeat. You know, it's like, bad example, but it's like love. You know, sometimes love there, sometimes it's not there. So, you know, we go up all the time, right? Okay, let's keep it moving now, right? So the vocabulary, weather, definition, how it looks and how it feels in the, who can say that word for me? Big word. Louder?
Add more here.
Yay! Rewards is working in the school. College, yes, Eric, atmosphere. People for doing good things, right? Yes. So how it looks and feels in the atmosphere, meaning the air around us at any given time, right? Boom. So we define what is weather before even I got to this slide. What comes first? Chicken, the egg? I ain't even sure. All I know, you guys did excellent. Muy bien, right? Is that correct? That's the word? Muy bien. Excellent day. Boom. Now, some types of weather. Let's go, Christian. Types of weather are
Sunny,
sunny,
cloudy,
cloudy,
windy,
windy, all the lights. Yes, sir. Boom. Now, today's weather. You guys did this again before me. You guys are preempting the lesson way ahead of time. Yo, I can't complain. What a great class. Now we're going to actually jump to a movie time.
rain pond,
Now we're going to just do this other one right here. Boom.
Rover
Types of weather. You can cut it out, thanks.